In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious creamy cherry milkshake recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 can of sweetened cherries, 2 cups of half and half, 3 cups of milk, and 2 cups of ice. In a blender, we're going to add in the cherries. Add in the half and half. Now add in the milk. Now put the lid on the blender and blend until it's completely smooth. Once the milkshake is completely blended, we're going to take the lid off of the blender and add in the ice. Continue to blend until all the ice is completely crushed. Our creamy cherry milkshake is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.